Hey guys, got the new entrance door going on today. Bit exhausted, here it is, it's a Friday afternoon, everyone's gone home for the weekend, but I'm just winding everything up and just doing a bit of a walkthrough and give you a bit of a touch base and show you everything that's happened up until now. So, front door, Amy's done the new handle, and we've made a whole new door frame. It's kind of coming together. He's got to get another door stop like this. Got to go in across the top, down the side here. Then we'll reconstruct that front door threshold. We'll do a new step, and that'll come together really well. Into the garage, Mick has done an amazing job. Put the power point in there for the garage door. Done a little bit of drilling down the back here. A couple of downies, one down there, one just here. Another one here for the laundry, gone in. We'll very shortly be able to start doing videos for you guys to see when we start doing finishing work and plastering. We'll be able to give you longer videos and a few DIY tips and things like that. Obviously can't harass the trades too much when they're doing their work. Door's gone in with the window in it. So now the laundry has got a really cool sort of much brighter aspect, and you can see up the side, so we'll decorate that out there a little more. Laundry's sort of ready to go, waiting for bench tops. So it's going really well. Coming into the house now. Mick's done all the downlights here. Looks like we've got a bit of patching to do here and there where the old ones have come out. As I've shown you half a dozen times, the Velux skylight has gone in. A little bit extra light into the room. More patching for the old boy to do, for me to do. New downlight going in. Just walk through Jamie's pile of sawdust there. I'll sweep up in a minute. Downlight patch, new downlight in. Small ones, you can see the small ones, the old ones. The new ones are a lot smaller than the old ones. There we've done all the wiring is all in now for the kitchen. As you can see, all the lighting in here has gone in. There's wires hanging out everywhere. A bit of patching again, the old light up the top here. What we've done, we've put a pendant light in here over the bench. So we'll have a nice light hanging here. We've got downlights in all the corners here to light up the bench. Here we've got a kitchen bench. I'll give you a bit more of a view of that afterwards, down over the bench. There's a bulkhead going in, so some of these have got to go. We've done all the bits and pieces around all the electrical here has gone in for power points and things over the bench. There's a transformer going in here, LED lights going in under the bench, which will be quite nice. Darren, our plumber, put I'll get it, I'll find it in a minute. He's done a tap in here so that when the fridge goes in, whoever buys this place, when they put their fridge in, they can plumb it to water. There'll be a tap, they can connect it up and run water to their fridge, have ice, cold water, etc. In this bedroom here, you can see again, 4 downlights have all been put in, 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's a couple of patches to be done, a bit of plastering to be done now for the wardrobe, so get rid of that skylight now that we've taken that horrible barley hut thing that was outside down. Now we've got some nice sunshine coming in from the back there. Extra power points have gone in, so if they want to put a bed here under the window, a couple of power points. The old ones there will go. We've got them on the other side of the room just in case they want to do it on this side. think I've discovered what that leak in that corner is all about. I think I've found that. We've put some lighting in the hallway here, which was lacking. They had this horrible little skylight thing, that solar tube, but it goes. That's the return air there for the air conditioning. The junk room, a couple of lights have gone in that way, there and here. They've a couple of new power points. Every bed has got power points behind the bed, you know, so people can have their clocks and whatever. Clocks, does anyone have a clock inside their bed? They have their phone charging. This room, all we did was chuck a couple of downlights in. That middle light there will go. That was the fan. That goes when we were patching. There's a bit of excitement down this end of the house. So, toilet's gone. That floor will get jacked up. And I'll have that all ready to go. Dallas has been a busy boy here in the bathroom. So all our VJ board, get the shower with its niche all ready to go. And the rest of this room we've gone with a water resistant VJ board. So in here we get a really good, really cool bit of character in this room. And this VJ is all the rage at the moment anyway. And once we put like the vanity and everything else in, it'll really pop. So that'll be really nice. Master bedroom, as you can see, heap more light in here now since we've put the Velux in. So here's the Velux. Jamie and Dale done a great job there, framed that all in. It's waiting for a bit of plaster now, but we've got a beautiful light shaft there. And considering that we've covered the window that was in the ensuite, as you remember that was a sliding door there, we've still got plenty of light, so that's doing its job up there really well. Here when we line this wall, this will be a window here, but just a window over the bath now, because we've made this area a lot bigger, taken out this silly wall, that little sort of area here that just meant nothing. And as you can see, try and stand out of the way, the ensuite is really nice and big. There'll be a shower at the end there. There'll be a bath running through there into a double vanity here. So I'll take some video later without my ugly head in it so you can see how this all is shaping up. But I'm really excited with the way this part of the house is coming together. So when now I'll have to, unfortunately we shut down the site for a week because we have to go and prepare another one down in Melbourne, but when we get back, Jamie and Dale might be here just finishing up a few bits and pieces, so otherwise we'll, some doors there still need to go on, etc. But I'll give you some video from the other side of the camera so that you can get a good look at what's been happening, and we'll go from there. All right, well, talk to you all guys. Oh, maybe I'll take you. I'll take you outside and give you a bit of a look down the sideway as well. But what I'll do, I'll turn the camera around and give you a look from there. All right, we'll go. Talk soon. And as promised, without my buffhead in the way, laundry now. We might probably leave that skylight there for the laundry, but now we've got this nice doorway here, bit of daylight coming in. Still no undercover, but gives you a bit of daylight. This will all get painted up and all that'll get tarted up a bit. Out the back here, I've got the crush rock down, ready to spread out, as you can see down the end, just to give you a nice clean area with a bit of character. That's basically how it'll all look. These stones will wash down and have a sandstony look about them. So at the moment they're just covered in stone. Through here, I've pretty much dumped a good load of the stuff because it has to go right up the sideway there where we've cleared, as you can see. So all that will get shoveled back down there, but once the pool goes in at the end there, we won't have access, so we've shoveled everything in now, and we can just give all this a nice little gravel area, look neat and clean. Bit of a garden bed here, we'll get rid of all that rubbish, and a little bit of garden along there just to have a bit of green when you look out your windows. But we'll try and keep this as low maintenance as possible for the buyers. So it has a bit of appeal to everybody, and all the fun's going to be had out the other side of this place anyway, out around the pool. So back in through the garage. We keep the trailer in here because it just keeps getting filled with rubbish. We don't like having skips and bins around the place. The car backed up the driveway here. As you can see, our entry, a little bit more love required, but this will come up to be a really, really cool entry. With a coat of varnish, have some sort of a stain, and that will look really, really good. As you can see, that's the kind of look you'll have. That's Jamie's still got to get another piece of this to go into the top, but it's just got a little bit of character now, which I'm really happy about. So through the house without my bookhead, you can see all the lighting that has gone in. There'll be bulkheads across the top of the cupboards going there. All our lighting through here that has been put in. There's a few patches for me without my buffet in the way. Kitchen is looking fabulous. Looking really good. It's a big kitchen. It's actually a full-size kitchen, you know, and it'll be really a nice place to prepare a meal. And to here, big bedroom, there's our pile of tiles ready to go. The junk room, which when I come back, I'll put a big effort into getting rid of some of this junk and some tools that we're not using. Into this room's the one that doesn't get much attention. I'll just give it a sweep out now and that'll look good in. We've done all these wiring. Bathroom, where Dale's done all these work. We haven't got a ceiling in yet, but when they get back, that might be done when I get back. All the walls in here, done in BJ. Looking really good. Just gonna have a bit of tile there, break it up. And the VJ will just light it up. You can imagine a bathtub through there. Nice vanity. If you can't picture it, bad luck, not my problem. But we will get it looking good for you guys. That sliding door, there's a guy that took the other one, coming to get that. Velux, so I'll have to come from the other side. This side's going to be wardrobe, bed, all the lighting ready to go there. So Mick Campbell, electrical, has done a great job. In the shower, when I get back, I can get stuck into that. I'll pull that all out. Boys can do the rough in here of the plumbing, because all that plumbing will basically be changed. The floor will get opened up. Concrete this bit here in. Bathtub will go there, vanity here. There was a bit of a pantry there, a linen press. Can't have everything in here, so just a loo in there. Love the mix work. Patched all these holes in the wall. But yeah, bit of sunshine coming through. So yeah, it's coming together really well. I'll be now you'll start seeing things being finished. Hopefully, I can get all these floors laid so I can cover them up and set up all my doors in here and start spraying. And I'll give you some videos of us painting, preparing, and spray painting this joint. But anyway. Guys, have an amazing weekend, and I will see you all when I get back from Melbourne.